Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. The demand for today's video was so high that I couldn't resist. We are going to see Bitcoin Cash price targets. I hope that you're having a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and start with Bitcoin Cash USDT on the 4-hour frame. What do we have right now for Bitcoin Cash is that we had a nice pump from yesterday's pump of BTC as well. For BCH against Bitcoin chart, you can see that we had a nice plus 2%. I'm going to get back in a while for the pair. Let's go right now to see BCH against USDT and the technical analysis. Right now we are correcting a little bit, but the correction that we are having is not something to worry about, at least for now. I do not think that we are going to see low momentum and going down all the way again to 278 to 270. I think that from now on we are going to see a pump and a higher low pattern that will lead all the way up again into the 343.8. Okay, in the previous days we had a crazy bearish momentum for BCH against the USDT chart, but you can see these continuous bottoms right here will lead our way into higher than the 387 USDT. I'm going to give you the exact price targets in a while, do not worry about that. Let's go to BCH against Bitcoin chart. As you can see, and why I insist of BCH against Bitcoin chart is not because I have feelings about Bitcoin Cash or I want it to succeed because I love it or I want the fundamentals of it. I like the fundamentals actually. It is because I'm seeing something in terms of trading and technical analysis. And right now you can see that we approached the all-time low. This is the all-time low for Bitcoin Cash against Bitcoin chart, 0.207111. I will repeat that. This is the all-time low. What it means is that for the next months to come, we are going to see higher targets than this one right here. For example, this wasn't an all-time low. You can see that we had an uptrend and then we went down. This is an all-time low for many months to come. Okay, and you should be prepared for everything. Right now for Bitcoin Cash against USDT, we are going to go even far ahead, and we are going to see some targets that we have not seen for quite some time right now. What I think about BCH against USDT is that today, for example, for this day that we are making the video, either we are forming a candlestick that will just lead the next day to be bullish, or this will be bullish as well, forming an institutional gap. So this is where we stop, okay, and we form the institutional gap. Institutions get in, causing a buying pressure, and we go even higher today. All right, this will be the case right now for BCH against USDT chart. So it is either this one bullish or the next day will be bullish as well. Okay, so right now I'm expecting in the short term until 1 week to make a nice progress in terms of USDT price. Let's see some nice price targets here for the Bitcoin Cash against USDT for the short term. Right now we climbed above the 296.5, making it as a support level. The next price target will be the 314.7. We have one more at 330, which we will find some sell pressure around there. The next price target will be at the 344, which is a very important target, but this won't be the case that we are struggling around there. We will struggle mostly on 364. So what we are going to do is simply, we are going to go all the way up to 329.4, maybe falling after down to 314 until we climb up, finding some minor resistance level and going up to 364. However, because this is a very detailed analysis, you realize that we might have some minor changes, right? But in overall, what I think about Bitcoin Cash against USDT is that we are going to 364 USDT for sure there. We are going to have a sell pressure, and then we are going up above the 391 into, for me personally, the 488 to 500 USDT. This will be the case right there for Bitcoin Cash. And why I'm talking so big about Bitcoin Cash? Because what I have said in the previous videos is that I believe Bitcoin will manage actually to pump, but on 2022, this will be a disastrous year for Bitcoin, and I think that we are going to fall down from the 30,000 Tether USD. Why I'm saying this good stuff for BCH against Bitcoin chart? Because I think during the pump that Bitcoin will have over the next days, I think that BCH against USDT will make the best out of it, and we can pump so much mainly because of the BCH against Bitcoin chart, because this is the all-time low, and from now on we are going to see a higher low momentum for BCH against Bitcoin chart. This is nothing that we saw yesterday. Okay, what we are going to see after is something ridiculous, and I feel like we are going to outperform Bitcoin, and therefore it will be easier to achieve a plus 20% or so. From this bottom right here to this top, it is a 40%. From here to there, it is a 21%. 21% is easy. The next days, the next weeks could lead to 420 and of course the 488. Do not forget what Bitcoin Cash did back into this price analysis right here. If you can see that 26 July 2021, within 1 week 26%, but we had the best of it within 1 week 46.86, within 1 week 41% and more. This was the body of the candlestick, that it was 41%, it was around 60%, here it was 62%. Okay, we can move up very quickly, very high. Okay, so do not worry about that. It might take a week until we do a plus 20%, might take the other week to do a plus 20 as well, so it will escalate pretty quickly. I think on May we are going to achieve some nice higher targets for Bitcoin Cash against USDT. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.